Can a ketogenic diet cure cancer? The current understanding of the metabolic theory of cancer indicates that cancerous cells require a supply of glucose or sugar to grow and spread. So, although much more study is needed, there is research suggesting that limiting the amount of carbohydrate starves cancer cells of energy so they die off. There is also research to show that existing cancer therapies can in fact make the condition worse and reduce the chances of survival. Guys, cancer is a complex condition which is triggered by toxins in the environment combined with genetic susceptibility. So cancer patients who take measures to improve their health, fitness and nutrition, including the keto diet, will naturally increase the likelihood of remission and recovery of their health. If you or somebody else is considering the keto diet to treat cancer, it is vital that you consider all aspects of your health and well-being, including nutrition. Sadly, many doctors are unaware of the dire need to nourish the body to prevent illness and allow the body to heal naturally. Many patients are claiming to have successfully treated cancer by changing their approach to health, which includes diet, exercise, and mental attitude. And below are some fabulous articles if you want to learn more about the relationship between keto and cancer.